Okay. Your question, Sir Benji Magalong. What is your definition and stand on political dynasty? I repeat. What is your definition and stand on political dynasty?
Unang-una, gusto ko lang banggitin sa inyo na I will be the first and last Magalong to run for political position in the city of Baguio. Ang public service is not a family affair. Hindi ito pinamamana. There is a scientific study, a very extensive study that dynasty breeds corruption, and corruption breeds poverty. There are a lot of young people out there. There are a lot of people out there who are actually capable of running government and who can better lead this country, this city. They have all the talents. Makikita mo, young people. I really advocate young people, and that's the reason why nakita nyo siguro yung lineup namin. We have a lot of young people out there because they have so much courage. There's so much energy. They believe in change. They want to make a big difference. They are outspoken. They have a different perspective of their environment. Kaya nga nakakalungkot isipin na bakit sila lang? Bakit sila? Kaya siguro nagiging mahal, magastos ang election dahil nga itong mga families na very strong sa political dynasty, sila rin mismo nagpapamahal. Sila rin ang ginagawa nilang mas magastos ang election para sila lang na sila. Kasi, alam mo, now that I am in politics, one thing I learned about it is majority or a big majority of politicians enter politics because of MAP. Masarap ang posisyon, masarap ang power, at higit sa lahat, masarap ang pera. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much.